Hi, Vandana welcomes you all to her channel. And my endeavor has always been to impart correct knowledge regarding English language so that the learner could have the good command over the language. Presently, I have been dealing with the tenses, which is core grammar and the heart of the English language. And till date, I have covered four types of tenses, that is the simple present tense, present continuous tense, past simple past tense, and the past continuous tense. Today I will deal with the fifth type of the tense, that is the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Today my lecture is on present perfect tense. So it is always used in the sense of the कर लिया है या हो चुका है. So when this sense is there, we make use of the simple or the present perfect tense. Now here the form of the verb or the formula for using this type of tense is that we have to use has or have plus third form of verb. Remember the third form of verb. Third form of verb is used in the present perfect tense along with has or have. Has is used with he, she, it and the singular nouns, and have is used with you, we, they, I and the plural nouns. For instance, forget, forgot, forgotten, speak, spoke, spoken, break, broke, broken, swim, swam, swum, forgotten, spoken, broken and swum. They are the third form of the verb which we will use in the present perfect tense, such as has broken, have forgotten. So we will focus only on the third form of the verb when we are using the perfect tense, as the name indicate perfect. So we have to make use of the third form of the verb. First form we have already used in the simple present tense, second form we have used in the simple past tense, and third form is always used in the present perfect tense. And next is the situation where it is used. It is always used in a condition when your task has just completed, means presently your work is finished at a particular time. I mean to say, any activity that has completed, just completed, just completed presently at a particular time, means when your task is complete, finished, at that time we make use of the present perfect tense. Let's take certain cases here. He has broken the window pane. He has broken the window pane. Has broken is the present perfect tense. Rahul has done his homework. Rahul has done his homework. Has done, has broken, has done is the present perfect tense. Employees have completed their tasks. Employees, it's a plural, so we will make use of have. Employees have completed their tasks. Have completed, so this is the a present perfect tense. Let's put into practice the what we have learned regarding the present perfect tense. So that is, we will make three types of sentences. First is the affirmative sentence. So they have played the match. They have played the match. Have played is the perfect tense, present perfect tense, have played. Then negative sentence, when we are to defy the things, they have not played the match. Between have and played we will insert not. They have not played the match. So this is the have not played is the present perfect tense. Have played is again a present perfect tense. Let's make another type of the sentence, that is the interrogative sentence. Here however, so we will make use of, let's take the example of the first sentence. they have played the match. So here they is at the first place, have is at the second place. We will interchange the position of they and have. Have will come at the first place and they will come at the second place. Simply we will do this, and rest of the sentence remains the same, and it ends with the sign of interrogation or the question mark. Have they played the match? So you just see the tone also changes. Have they played the match? So next is the, in the case of the negative sentence, that is they have not played the match. We here also exchange the position of the have and they. So we have at first place and they at the second place. Rest of the sentence remains the same. Have they not played the match? Ends with the question mark. So this way three types of sentences they are made in the present perfect tense. Always remember कि whenever we are making the sentence in the any kind of sentence in the present perfect tense, we have to make use of the third form of verb. You can strengthen your any kind of tense by making more and more sentences regarding it. So let's sum up the whole thing which we have learned till date. That is present perfect tense used in the sense of कर लिया है or हो चुका है, and it's the formula here is that you have to make use of has or have plus third form of verb. Has is used with he, she, it and the singular nouns, and have is used with you, we, they, I and the plural nouns. And the situation here is, that is the to talk about any activity that has just completed in the present at a particular time. Any activity that has just completed in the present at a particular time, that means your activity is finished, it is complete. In that case we make use of the present perfect tense. Then there are three types of sentences where we put into practice the any kind of the tense. So hope you have enjoyed and liked the lecture and understood it, and thank you very much.